Hi guys, I want to show you how you can add subtitles to your videos in a couple of clicks. Now, subtitles do help with three reasons. Number one is accessibility. So anyone with a hearing impairment can actually consume your video content much more easily if you do add subtitles for them. Number two is subtitles alone can be used pretty creatively to help your video stand out. A lot of YouTubers now, if you've noticed, do add subtitles to add a bit of impact and a bit of creativity to their videos. And number three, well, 75% to 85% of videos on social media are actually watched on mute. So that means if you're not adding subtitles, a lot of people may just want to skip past your videos, which means you get less views and you get less engagement. So let's jump straight into it. And I want to show you how you can add subtitles to all of your videos automatically and in a couple of clicks. The first thing you want to do is go into Imvidu Studio, and you do that by going into studio.imvidu.com. Once you're in the studio, you simply just drag your video into it and it'll start to upload the video onto the platform. Your video actually gets transcribed in the platform automatically. So it's converting any dialogue, speech, into text automatically. I've got the text, as you can see. Now, if I play back my video, my subtitles should automatically get added, right? So that's really it. I don't need to do anything more with my subtitles except for a few things. Number one, I probably want to fix up any mistakes or any errors. Number two is style them, and then number three, download my video. Now I can quickly style my subtitles pretty quickly using the style bar up on the top. If I click on this style button, it should open up more advanced options and I can tweak my subtitles even further. Now, while I'm in here, I can also change the layout of my subtitles. So for example, I can change the number of lines by dragging this control here where it says lines. And I can also change the length of my subtitles. So for example, I can change it from one word at a time. So this will actually play my subtitles showing only one word at a time, or I can make them a little bit longer. It really depends on where you're posting your videos. For social media, I like to keep my subtitles pretty short. For YouTube and other places, I like to either keep it medium or I like it to go long. But the easier way to change my subtitle style is to simply click on this subtitles icon on the left hand side and then just select a preset from the panel. This saves you a lot of time. You don't need to play around with the settings, and you just select one that you like. Let's go with this one. Size of my subtitles by either dragging the controls on the actual video, and I can also change the font size to something else. All right, so either way works. And that's it. So I've added my subtitles in a couple of clicks. I've styled them in a couple of clicks. Now, last thing I want to do before I download my video is just quickly go through and fix any typos or any mistakes that I might have in my subtitles. I can quickly fix any typos or any errors in my subtitles by clicking on the subtitle text editor button and then going through my transcript to see if there's any mistakes. I can play my video as well, which makes it a little bit easier sometimes to spot any errors, or you quickly read through your transcript. And it's really as simple as editing a Word document. So for example, I just select a word that I need to fix, double click on it, and then just type over it. You can also press the tab key on your keyboard to actually go through your words one at a time, and then just start typing. One thing that can happen sometimes with the auto speech to text is you might not pick up the word correctly. Okay, now sometimes it'll split up a word when only one word was mentioned in the speech. So for example, here I know there was only one word, and I can quickly type over the first one and I can delete the second one. So that's how easily I can add my subtitles to my video. The last thing I want to do is download my video, but before I do that, you may also want to download just your subtitles as well. So for example, if you're putting it on YouTube or Vimeo and you want to attach subtitles, you can download your video or your subtitles by clicking on the download button. And here you've got the option to either download the video or you can download the subtitles, the SRT file, and the transcript. Okay guys, so that's really it. So if you do want to start adding subtitles to your videos, do check out imvidu.com, sign up and try it out now. Check out the description for a link.